Question 6 says you invest into 2 different schemes for a period of 5 years. Investment 1, you place 3,500 into an investment at the end of each month. Interest on this investment is 15% per annum, compounded monthly. Investment 2, you make a deposit of 24,000 immediately and then only make a second deposit of 7,000 into the same account at the end of the third year. Interest on this investment is 20% per annum compounded quarterly. If you combine the value of your 2 investments at the end of the 5-year period, then what is the value of this lump sum? Give your answer correct to 2 decimal place. So first we're going to calculate the investment number 1 by using our future value equation. That reads F is equals to X multiplied by 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1 over I. Okay, in this case, our X is at 3,500 monthly. Our I is given as 15% compounded monthly. So we need to then divide that by 12. And the number of years is 5 years. But since we are depositing every month, 5 years, and since we're depositing every month, we're going to multiply that by 12 minus 1 over the 0.15, which is our interest rate, divided by 12 again. So then that would give us a total sum of 310,000 and 10 rand 78 cents. For the second investment, we're going to start with the 24, right? So the 24 was there for the whole 5 years, right? And then that means that for that one here, we would just say, we use compound interest and say, okay, we invested 24,000. Compounded quarterly, so that's going to be 0.2 divided by 4. There's 4 quarters in a year, and that's going to be for 5 years. But since it's compounded quarterly, multiply that by 4. Then we look at the 7,000. The 7,000 was only there for 2 years, right? Because we made a second deposit at the end of the third year. So then that would be 7,000. 1 plus, still at the same compound interest quarterly, and it was there for 2 years. So that's 2 multiplied by 4 quarters. And that will give us a total of 74,000 and 121,33. And if we add the 2 together, then we will get a total of 384,032 rands and 11 cents.